Welcome to our guide on the Chevrolet TRAX interior fuse box for models from 2013 to 2017. The interior fuse box is located under the driver's side dashboard behind a removable cover. The fuse box contains fuses labeled with F numbers and relays marked as RLY, protecting various electrical circuits. Understanding your fuse box is crucial for diagnosing electrical issues. No design changes or recalls have altered the layout for 2013-2017 models. It protects the vehicle's electrical system from overloads. In this series, we'll show you the exact location and how it protects your TRAX's electrical system. The interior fuse box is located under the instrument panel on the driver's side. Look for a plastic cover, typically black or dark gray, near the lower left side of the dashboard. It's usually secured by clips or screws. You might need a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Removing this cover will expose the fuse box. To access the fuse box, start by ensuring the vehicle is turned off and parked safely. First, turn off the ignition and remove the key to prevent any electrical issues. Look under the instrument panel on the driver's side for the plastic fuse box cover. Use a flathead screwdriver or clip removal tool to gently pry the clips or unscrew any fasteners holding the cover. Carefully pull down or remove the cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the dashboard trim. Inside the fuse box, you'll find an arrangement of fuses and relays. Each fuse protects a specific circuit, such as the radio, power windows, or interior lights. Relays control higher power circuits like headlights or cooling fans. A diagram on the fuse box cover identifies each fuse and its amperage. The box typically contains 22 to 30 fuses and relays. A blown fuse has a broken wire inside, interrupting the electrical circuit. To check a fuse, visually inspect it for a broken wire. Use the fuse diagram to identify the correct amperage rating based on color codes. If the wire is broken, the fuse needs replacing. Replace the blown fuse with a new fuse of the exact same amperage rating. Consult the fuse box diagram to locate and identify the specific fuse. Fuses are inexpensive, costing $5 to $10 at auto parts stores. While not always necessary for a simple fuse replacement, it's highly recommended to disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before working on the fuse box. This eliminates the risk of electrical shocks or accidental airbag deployment. First, locate the battery under the hood and identify the negative terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Carefully remove the cable from the terminal. Now you can safely work on the fuse box. One common issue is blown fuses due to aging wiring, especially in high-mileage vehicles. Experts recommend annual inspections for corrosion, especially in humid climates. Overfusing, using a fuse with a higher amperage than specified, can be dangerous and lead to fires. Underfusing will cause the fuse to blow immediately. While the 2013-2017 Chevrolet TRAX relies on traditional fuse boxes with physical fuses that protect electrical circuits, the automotive industry is rapidly evolving toward more advanced systems. Newer vehicles are adopting digital or solid-state fuses, which are more durable, programmable, and integrated with vehicle electronics. Electric vehicles in particular use battery management systems that virtually eliminate traditional fuse boxes, replacing them with software-controlled protection. However, for your TRAX, understanding and maintaining the traditional fuse box remains essential. Regular inspections can prevent electrical issues, and proper fuse replacement ensures reliable vehicle operation. By 2030, experts predict that digital systems will reduce physical fuse problems by up to 60% in modern vehicles. Always consult your owner's manual for specific fuse locations and amperage ratings to keep your vehicle running smoothly.